What's up, True Beauty fam? We are back at it again with another Get Ready With Me. Focus. We are back at it again with another Get Ready With Me. Tonight is my birthday dinner. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started because we're leaving the house at 6 o'clock and it is 4:10 and I still have to get dressed. I'm gonna conceal out my brows and I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer. So I'm going to prime my lids using that same concealer. Okay, for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the new NYX Off Tropic palette, and this one is the Hasta La Vista one, and I almost dropped it. And I'm going to be taking this pink shade for my crease, and I'm just going to use that on a fluffy brush. I did wash my brushes last night, so I'm going to use this big fluffy brush that I always use for like my crease color. Ooh, come through, pigment. And I'm not going to wing out my eyeshadow today. I'm just going to keep it like rounded. For my crease, I'm going to take this fluffy brush. It's a little bit slimmer. And I'm going to take this purple shade and also this one on the end. I don't know why it's not showing up on camera, but I promised y'all that she's there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, take another blending brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go back into those two purple shades, but more so focusing on the darker shade. They came through with the pigment on this palette, boy. They was not playing around. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna get my concealer for that, so I'll be right back in 1 second. The glitter that I'm going to be using is from Mo Glitz and Glam, and this is their Cotton Candy Flakes glitter. It's really, really pretty, and it lives up to its name because it does look like cotton candy. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner. While my lashes are drying, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to put on the lashes. lashes are in the style Gorgeous, and they are from LL Cosmetics, LL Lashes. I will leave a screenshot of their Instagram in the video, and I'll also link them down below. So this is their Instagram. Anyways, this is their Instagram. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a screenshot in the video, and I'm also gonna link their website down below. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using the Fenty concealer in the shade 410. Oh wow, it feels kind of thick, but like not like a bad thick, but I like this so far. It's like very creamy, just like everyone says it is. It is very creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my sponge, so I'll be back with you guys, and then we're gonna blend this in. I really like the coverage of this concealer, and I like the finish. It's really, really nice. The finish reminds me of my Makeup Revolution concealer, just like that flawless finish. So I really like that. I'm just taking whatever is left on my foundation brush and using that to blend out my edges and make sure everything looks crisp and nice and neat. And I'm gonna be using the Fenty powder today. I got the shade Honey, and yeah. this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have to go get dressed, so I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on that notification bell and follow me on all my social media. Bye.